Hi all, today we are going to learn about chemical equation by using ion-electron method in acidic medium. Are you ready? Let's start. First, we must know what is redox reaction. Redox reaction is a reaction involving reduction and oxidation reaction. The transfer of electrons occurs during redox reaction, which result to the change in oxidation number of certain element in the reactants and product. Oxidation process refers to a reaction when the substance loses one or more electrons and cause an increase in its oxidation number. At the same time, we can identify the oxidation reaction by checking the losing of hydrogen atom and gaining of oxygen atom. Reduction reaction refers to a reaction when a substance gains one or more electrons, decrease in oxidation number, losing of oxygen atom, and gaining of hydrogen atom. How to balance a redox equation by using ion-electron method in acidic medium? Let's try by using this equation. Step number 1, we need to divide the equation into two half reaction. So for here, right, copper will form copper 2 plus ion, nitrogen trioxide ion will form the nitrogen monoxide. One involving oxidation and the other reduction. So we can check these two equations, which one is oxidation, which one is reduction, by using the oxidation number. So from here, the oxidation number of copper is 0, and then for the reactant become positive 2 plus. So increasing of oxidation number. In this case, we check the number of oxygen atom. Initially, there are 3 oxygen atom and then become 1 oxygen atom. So reducing number of oxygen atom. So it's reduction reaction. Or we can check the oxidation number for nitrogen as well. This one is positive 5 and then the product side is negative 2, decreasing of oxidation number. So again, showing that this is reduction reaction. Step number 2, we need to balance the element other than oxygen and hydrogen. So for the first equation, here is 1 to 1. And then for the second equation also, 1 nitrogen, 1 nitrogen. Next, step number 3, balance the oxygen atom by adding water to the side that needs oxygen. So we check over here, there is no oxygen atom for first equation, so we can skip for it. For the second equation, here there are 3 oxygen atom, here there are 1 oxygen atom, meaning that we need to balance it by adding 2 more of water, so that both sides have 3 oxygen atom. Yeah, 2 water is added. Step number 4, balance the H atom, hydrogen atom, by adding H plus ion to the side that need H hydrogen. So for here, right, there are 4 hydrogen atom. So we need to balance it, adding 4 H plus over the reactant side. Okay, step number 5. Now we need to balance the charge by adding electrons to the side with greater overall positive charge. So for here, right, the overall charge is 0, here is positive 2. So we need to add 2 electrons, make the equation both equal to 0. For this one, okay, we need to check one by one. So look at here. Here, 4 times positive 1, so equal to positive 4. Here the overall charge is negative 1. Here, 0. Here also 0. So we sum up for here equal to positive 3, here equal to 0. That's why this side more positive. So we need to add 3 electrons so that both sides having the same charge, which is 0. Now, we need to make sure number of electrons at both sides are equal. So here, first one we need to times 3, so make up become 6 electron. For the second equation, you need to times 2, so it becomes 6 electron. So make sure when you times, right, you need to times whole equation. That's why it becomes 8, 2, 6, 2, 4. Same for here, become 3, 3, 6. Step number 7. Add two half reaction and cancel anything that's same on the both side. So let's sum up both equations and then cancel 6 electron which at the opposite side. If there are same element at the same side, we need to sum up. If different side, we need to cancel off. So last step, we need to check the equation. Make sure same number of atoms of each element and same total charge on both sides. So 3 copper, 2 nitrogen, 6 oxygen, 2 plus 4, 6 oxygen, 8 hydrogen, here 4 times 2, 8 hydrogen, yes. Both sides having the same number of atoms. Now check for the charge. This one 3 times 0, 2 times -1, 8 times +1, so the sum out is +6. Here 3 times +2, 2 times 0, and then 4 times 0, total is +6. So the total charge of both sides are the same. So this equation is a balanced equation. Please check your understanding by solving these two questions. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to consult your lecturer. Hope you all learned something. Thank you.